Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, and a very, very good afternoon to you. Today we have Khalida Brohi with us from Wings for Women. And this is Dilshad Show, and you would be watching her on this interview, and she'll be talking about how she has made it possible in such challenging situations to empower women in Pakistan, in a region specifically in Balochistan, from where she started the movement, and she has spread to so many regions by now. And she has a very, very optimistic goal that she is intending to accomplish, and we will be talking on those lines. So welcome to
Thank you so
Clinton
much.
Global Initiative, Khalida, and
Thank
I'm
you.
sure, how was your experience here?
Oh, very overwhelming, if I must say. I'm still digesting the fact that I was actually on the panel with Bill Clinton himself. That was amazing. I think all my life could come to that moment where I was sitting next to them and talking to them. It was amazing.
That was a very, very powerful panel sharing with Sheryl Sandberg
Mm-hmm.
and many other powerful leaders of this country.
Yeah.
So tell us, what is Wings for Women? Very briefly.
So it's a non-profit organization in Pakistan, or we're called Sugar Women Society. And then our slogan is to giving wings to women, because women have that potential and strength in them where they can unleash, their own leadership. Once we make them see that strength in them, everything just works out. What we do is we empower women by giving them trainings and opportunities and solutions to their problems, and say, like, here's what you can do, and they take it forward. We have people who joined us from many, many years ago, and they're still on our team.
Wonderful. What do you want people to do here to help you?
Well, we have a lot of many different ways. A lot of people actually organize exhibitions for us where the products that these women have made are exhibited over there, and they collect donations on like that. We have an online donations platform where people can donate as well. And the other thing is like spreading the message to many people. I have a feeling that sometimes if we are not able to reach out to the 1 million women that I have the dream about, maybe people can replicate the idea, organizations can have the idea, and they can approach more and more women.
Lovely, that is wonderful. So this is the message. What is the message you want to leave us with?
I'm not the best person to give messages. I'm crazy. I would be like, go, 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 do anything you want. I mean, don't care about your security. But I believe when you work on a goal, I mean, in the end of the day, the goal always remains the big picture in your mind.
Mm-hmm.
To leave it in the middle because security problems are happening, you are facing risks or something, is the biggest guilt of your life. Keep going in the same goal, keep doing the same, keep looking at the same picture, but maybe change your strategies. Look for new ways to reach out to that goal. Never leave it in the middle, because it just leaves everything incomplete. A lot of organizations might want to, feel like, okay, there are security concerns and we cannot approach it.
So what is the website that people can go to?
Oh, sugar.org, SUGHAR, org.
SUGHAR.org.
Yeah, it's like sugar.
Yeah. And people can go there, SUGHAR.org, and people can go and find more information, and there are ways that you can be part of it, you can contribute, you can become involved with the mission. And thank you so much, Khalida, for being
Thank you for
with the
having me.
CGI, and I hope your journey is much more in terms of mobilizing this impact.
Thank you so
very
much.
much.